Time to assemble the Lion Guard. Dad said the Lion Guard needs the Pride Land's bravest, strongest, fastest, and keenest of sight. So I think I'll ask the bravest animal in the Pride Lands first.
Ready to roar!
Wonga, you're the bravest animal I know. I want you to be the first to join the new Lion Guard.
Sukazama!
Not much further.
Hi, Kion. Good to see you.
You see just about everything, Ono. That's why I want to talk.
Yeah! Let's hear it for the Lion Guard!
Guess that didn't work.
What's the kabobble, Kion?
Guess that didn't work. Not much further. Ha-ha! 5 of us are the Pride Land's fiercest, bravest, strongest, fastest, and keenest of sight. And that's why I want you all to join the new Lion Guard. Together we'll protect the Pride Lands and defend the Circle of Life.
Hapana! Kion! Everyone! I've just returned from the grasslands. There are numerous baby Jennets stuck in a thorn tree.
Hey, Bikabisa, if they don't get free by sunset, they'll never find their way home to their parents. We better go help them.
Well, what are we waiting for? Yeah, we'll show that thorn tree. Let me at it.
Till the Pride Lands end,
Lion Guard defend!